Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best soil test kits and meters that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best soil test kits and meters for homeowners. Testing your soil is a very important contribution to the health of your plants. Every plant has a different pH preference. Plants require the right pH level in order to best utilize all the nutrients in the soil. Number 5. Luster Leaf 1601 Rapitus Soil Test Kit. It is an easy-to-use test kit that provides fast, simple. No experience is necessary to perform the 40 different tests included. Main features. Contains 40 total tests. Uses innovative color-coded. Includes an eyedropper. Number 4. pH Soil Meter, 3-in-1 Soil Tester Kit Moisture Soil Meter. It is an excellent moisture meter, light. Its responsive probe senses soil changes, and displays accurate values to the user. Main features. Easy-to-use soil meter. Well-made, accurate. Eliminates overwatering. Number 3. Soil pH and Moisture Meter 295 mm long electrode. This product includes one moisture and soil pH meter. It works as advertised. Main features. Longer, more slender 295 mm. Self-powered. Metal probe/electrode is waterproof. Number 2. Hygrometer Moisture Sensor. It is simple to read moisture levels, a portable, compact design, and is perfect for either indoor or outdoor use. It features an 8-inch stem for full root level penetration. Main features. Plug and read. Easy color-coded reading system. Simply push probe down. Number 1. Pana Instruments High 9813/6N PHEC/TDS. It is designed especially for use in greenhouses, hydroponics, nurseries, and farms. It comes equipped with a combination probe/connector and 3.3 feet. Main features. Quality starter set with water-resistant meter. Meter is simple, accurate and easy to use. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.